and welcome to this Whiteline product spotlight. Today we're going to talk about polyurethane debushing or mounting bushing. Now we've got a couple of upgrades that we want to let everybody know about with our debushing. Now first of all, the debushing in polyurethane allows a lot less compliance than the rubber bushing. The biggest upgrade that we want to talk to everybody about is the knurling, the internal knurling or the grease retention system that we're now using on all Whiteline products. Okay, you can see the pocket knurling there, designed to hold onto that grease and to self-lubricate while the vehicle is, while ever the sway bar is moving or rotating in the car. Now the other thing that I want to point out with sway bars and fitment is when we've got a universal saddle here that would come in a normal Whiteline kit. If this debush was to fit into an OE sway bar debush bracket, we need to make sure that there's not too much preload in that bush. So if that bush is sat on the bench and there's a lot of gap underneath either side of this, then there may be a lot of tolerance from OE. Now that's the only thing we have to come across when we're designing bushes is from the first manufacturer to the last manufacturer on any vehicle there can be quite a lot of tolerance. So this needs to be taken into consideration. If there's too much pressure or preload put when that bush is bolted down, the bush is likely to be noisy and the operation will not be correct. So making sure that there is not too much preload is the first thing that I'd say to anybody to do. The grease that we supply in our kits is a special molybdenum disulfide or moly grease. This is the perfect grease that we would love for you to use with the polyurethane. Please never use rubber grease. Alright, for more information on any of our products, please visit the website whiteline.com.au.